Nevada becoming the first in the nation to use the law and order to protect workers and businesses from COVID-19. Thanks for joining us at 11. I'm Trisha Keene. Todd has a night off. The bill was named after a longtime Caesars Palace employee. He died from the virus in June, and tonight his family is applauding the efforts to keep Nevadans and visitors safe. Let's get over to 13 Action News reporter Joe Bartels live near the Strip. And Joe, not everyone is happy with this bill.
Yeah, Tricia, that's right. This bill is really aimed at keeping those hotel and casino workers safe. But even away from the Strip, there's specific places such as hospitals and public schools that are not protected from lawsuits under this new law.
He was a longtime Caesars Palace employee. Aldolfo Fernandez became sick after returning to his job.
My dad was an amazing, hardworking man, and he worked as a utility porter for 18 years. We are heartbroken that he passed away on June 24th due to COVID.
Irma Fernandez and her dad's union lobbied lawmakers to make sure other workers were protected from the deadly virus.
I wish he was here to witness this. He would be so happy about these new protections. It will help many workers and their families.
In a remote news conference Tuesday, Nevada Governor Steve Sisolak signed SB 4, also known as the Aldolfo Fernandez bill, into law.
Senate Bill 4 is first in the nation legislation that will institute important worker protections in the hospitality industry.
The law spells out the safety measures for 280,000 Nevada hospitality workers, including minimum social distancing between employees and guests, mandatory COVID-19 testing, daily temperature checks, and paid time off while waiting for test results.
The bill also helps protect our businesses in the industry from unwarranted harm, as long as they substantially follow these health and safety standards.
The new law also requires daily hotel room cleaning while in use unless a guest refused. Specific cleaning of high contact items such as TV remotes, touchscreens, and light switches, just to name a few. Hotels cannot incentivize guests to decline room cleaning. MGM Resort CEO Bill Hornbuckle says the new law protects Nevada's biggest economic engine.
Nevada has proven that it is possible to protect employees, business, and our economy while also holding bad actors and irresponsible businesses accountable.
Hotels, resorts, casinos like his, and many other businesses cannot be sued if they are following the cleaning procedures laid out in the new law. But nonprofit groups, nursing homes, public schools, and hospitals are specifically exempt from the liability protections, the governor calling it the result of months of negotiations. The Nevada Hospital Association released a statement saying in part, quote, "The passing of SB 4 by the Nevada Senate and Assembly is disappointing. Hospitals and healthcare workers have been on the front lines of COVID-19 since March, and not extending premises liability protections to them creates situations that need to be addressed to ensure the safety of patients, employees, and hospitals themselves."
And businesses that are found to have violated this law can be sued for gross negligence. They can also face up to a $500 fine per instance, and they also may even lose their business license. Reporting live, Joe Bartels, 13 Action News.
Joe, thank you.